In this video, we will talk about stress management. Our increasingly busy lives cause our mind a lot of stress. Stress is mental tension caused by demanding circumstances. Stress doesn't just affect our mental state and mood, it also affects our physical health as well. Stress management consists of making changes in your life if you are in a constant stressful situation, preventing stress by practicing self care and relaxation, and managing your response to stressful situations when they do occur. Stress management is beneficial to reduce blood pressure, heart disease, digestive troubles, and many more physical ailments. It also helps improve sleep, mental health, cognition. There are simply too many benefits to list them all. It's clear to see why stress management is so important. Before you move on to stress management techniques, it's important to know that not all exercise is bad. Stress is actually a survival response when our body thinks that it's in danger. That is why our sympathetic nervous system kicks in and makes our heart rate increase and gives a burst of energy hormone adrenaline so that we can deal with whatever situation is being thrown at us. This is called our flight or fight response. When we are much stressed, a hormone called cortisol is released into our bloodstream, suppressing the functioning of our immune, digestive, and reproductive system. That is why it is so important to practice stress management in order to keep our minds and bodies healthy. Stress can come from many sources which are known as stressors. Because our experience of what is considered stressful is created by our unique perceptions of what we encounter in life. For example, when we find ourselves in situations where there are high demands on us but we have little control and few choices, we are likely to experience stress. We might also feel stress when we don't feel equipped, where we might be harshly judged by others and where consequences for failure are steep or unpredictable. The problem is when we deal with constant stress and worry, and when we don't know how to properly manage a stressful situation. That's why stress management is tremendously important for our health, quality life, and relationships. Stress can be effectively managed in different ways. The best stress management plans usually include a mix of stress relievers and address stress physically and psychologically and help to develop resilience and coping skills. Stress is part of human being and it can be motivate you to get things done. Even high stress from serious illness, job loss, death in the family, or a painful life event can be a major part of life. You may feel down and anxious, and that's normal for a while. To talk to the doctor if you feel down and anxious for more than several weeks, or if it starts to interfere with your home or work life, therapy, medication, and other strategies can help. There are many ways to reduce stress in your life, from exercise to journalizing to medication. Let's look at some of the most common forms of the stress management, including physical, mental, social, intellectual, and environmental techniques in the meantime. There are things you can learn and manage stress before it gets too much. You can focus on exercise, running on the ground, diet, balanced diet, or relaxation techniques like yoga and meditation.